1. Understanding virtual reality fundamentals. Before diving into VR development, familiarize yourself with the basics of virtual reality. This includes understanding VR hardware, such as headsets and controllers, and the principles of immersive environments. Learn about different VR platforms and their capabilities to ensure you choose the right tools for your development goals. 2. Choosing the right VR hardware. Selecting the appropriate VR hardware is crucial for development. Popular options include the Oculus Quest, HTC Vive, and PlayStation VR. Consider factors like tracking technology, resolution, and performance when choosing hardware. Make sure your development setup aligns with the hardware specifications to optimize performance and user experience. 3. Learning VR development tools and engines. Familiarize yourself with VR development tools and game engines. Unity and Unreal Engine are popular choices for VR development due to their robust support for VR features and extensive documentation. Both engines offer VR development kits and assets that simplify the creation of immersive experiences. 4. Mastering VR development basics. Start by learning the basics of VR development, including setting up VR projects, implementing VR controls, and optimizing performance. Focus on understanding VR interaction models, such as hand tracking and object manipulation, to create intuitive and engaging user experiences. 5. Exploring VR design principles. Designing for VR requires a different approach compared to traditional games. Study VR design principles, such as maintaining comfort, avoiding motion sickness, and creating spatial awareness. Pay attention to factors like scale, depth, and user comfort to ensure a positive VR experience. 6. Building and testing simple projects. Begin with simple VR projects to gain hands-on experience. Create basic VR environments, interactive elements, and simple simulations. Testing these projects on actual VR hardware helps identify potential issues and refine your skills before tackling more complex projects. 7. Learning from tutorials and online resources. Utilize online tutorials, courses, and documentation to enhance your VR development skills. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and YouTube offer valuable resources for learning VR development. Engage with forums and communities to get feedback and support from experienced developers. 8. Joining VR development communities. Participate in VR development communities to connect with other developers, share your work, and stay updated on industry trends. Forums, social media groups, and VR meetups offer opportunities for networking, collaboration, and learning from others in the field. 9. Experimenting with advanced VR features. As you gain experience, explore advanced VR features such as spatial audio, haptic feedback, and complex interactions. Implementing these features enhances the immersion and quality of your VR experiences, making them more engaging and realistic. 10. Publishing and iterating on your VR projects. Once your VR project is ready, consider publishing it on platforms like the Oculus Store, SteamVR, or PlayStation Store. Gather user feedback and analyze performance metrics to make improvements. Continuous iteration and updates help refine your projects and ensure they meet user expectations.